Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today I am pulling back the curtain on how I create stunning, professional-grade product marketing assets entirely with AI. We are talking about the kind of high-end visuals you usually need a massive crew and a fancy studio to produce, but we are doing it all from our desktops today. The beauty of this process is that you can apply it to anything, whether you are promoting a high-tech e-bike, a sleek bottle of supplements, or even a simple custom-printed t-shirt. To pull this off without breaking a sweat, I have curated a specific tech stack where each AI tool handles a different piece of the creative puzzle. For the raw creative vision, I lean heavily on Midjourney to generate those photorealistic textures and styles that really make a brand feel premium. Then I bring in tools like Recraft.ai to handle the mockups and that tricky faux 3D logo wrapping, which instantly makes your design look like a real-world object. And the game changer for my distribution strategy has definitely been Vizard, which handles all the heavy lifting of turning my long-form content into bite-sized viral social media clips. Let's dive into a real-world example, like a recent e-bike concept I was working on, where I needed those clean, high-end studio shots that competitors use. I started by pulling together a few reference screenshots of the bike from various angles, full side, front three-quarter, and those tight, detailed frame shots. I fed those directly into Midjourney as image prompts, specifically asking for professional studio lighting and clean backgrounds to maintain that consistent aesthetic. If the results were not quite right on the first try, I simply tweaked the prompts to add more contrast or softer shadows until I got that perfect uniform look across every angle. Once those images were locked in, I popped them into Recraft.ai to start the branding process and wrap my logo onto the frame surfaces seamlessly. Even if your logo file is just a simple vector, Recraft understands the geometry of the object and applies it in a way that looks like it was baked into the product during manufacturing. With those branded renders ready, the next step is adding life through motion, using AI-driven camera tools to create a cinematic pan or a gentle product rotation. You don't need crazy, flashy animations here. In fact, a slow, elegant camera movement often feels much more premium and high-end to the viewer. After stitching those clips together in a simple editor and adding some light color grading, you have a polished hero video that is ready for your landing page. But a hero video is only the beginning, because the real magic happens when you feed that raw footage into Vizard to maximize your social presence. Manual editing is a massive time sink, but Vizard changes that by instantly scanning your long-form files to identify the most engaging, high-energy moments worth sharing. It cuts the clips, suggests catchy titles, and generates subtitles automatically, effectively slashing your editing workflow time by about 80%. Then, there is the auto-schedule feature, which is an absolute lifesaver for keeping your social calendar full without needing to log in every single day. You just set your posting cadence, and the platform handles the distribution, letting you manage your entire content strategy from one simple visual interface. While Midjourney and Recraft handle the visual aesthetic, Vizard bridges the gap to ensure those assets actually reach your audience and drive real traffic. For my e-bike launch, I took an 8-minute long-form demo, and within mere minutes, Vizard gave me 5 distinct, highly shareable clips ready for different platforms. The content calendar view showed me exactly when those clips were going live, so I could balance my promotions without any risk of overlapping or spamming my audience. I also find it helpful to engage with my community, like through my Discord, to test which thumbnails perform best before I fully commit to a major campaign push. Just a few quick tips before you get started. Focus on maintaining a consistent color palette across your AI renders so your entire video feels like one cohesive shoot. Make sure to run your logo mockups early in the process so you can refine those placements, and always upload the longest, rawest footage you have to Vizard for the best results. This workflow, combining the power of visual generation tools with the automation of a smart clipper, is how you stay consistent and professional in today's busy landscape. If you want me to create a deep dive on my specific Midjourney prompting techniques, or maybe a tutorial on tuning Vizard's clip suggestions, just let me know. I hang out in Discord during the week to help with these workflows, so feel free to reach out, and don't forget to share your creations with me in the comments.